If you've ever used a Nitecore power bank before, you're probably already familiar with the NB10000 series. It's been one of Nitecore's most popular ultralight power banks, especially for people who want to keep their bags light, compact, and reliable. Today, we're taking a look at the Nitecore NB10000 Gen 4 and whether upgrading from a previous generation actually makes sense for you. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews and gear breakdowns like this one. With earlier versions, power was never an issue. You already had a solid 10,000 mAh capacity that worked well for phones and other small devices. What the Gen 4 focuses on is refinement. There isn't a dramatic leap in raw specs here. Instead, the Gen 4 takes what already worked and improves upon the overall experience through a series of practical updates. The first major difference you'll notice is the size. The Gen 4 is more compact in both length and width, and it weighs just 5 ounces. That might not sound dramatic at first, but once you start carrying it, the difference is obvious. When you slide it into a pocket, drop it into a sling bag, or tuck it into a backpack side pocket, it fits more naturally and doesn't feel bulky. This is the kind of power bank you actually want to bring with you instead of leaving it behind because it feels too big for everyday carry. Another important upgrade with the Gen 4 is its durability. It's rated IPX7 water resistant, which means it can handle heavy rain, splashes, and even a brief submersion into water. That gives you more peace of mind when you're using it outdoors, traveling, or dealing with unpredictable weather instead of worrying about keeping it perfectly dry at all times. Now let's talk about charging. The NB10K Gen 4 features 2 USB-C ports. That means you can charge your phone and one other device, like earbuds, camera batteries, headlamps, or portable gaming consoles. One port can be used for input, or both can be used for output, with up to 22.5 watts maximum input and output. Pass-through charging is also supported, so you can charge your devices while the power bank itself is plugged in, which is useful at a desk, in a hotel room, or anywhere you only have access to one outlet. The USB-C ports are illuminated, which makes charging easier in low-light situations. The ports also change color depending on the charging mode, yellow for regular charging and green for eco or low current mode. If RGB lighting isn't something you want, it can be turned off so it's there when it's useful and out of the way when it's not. Another practical feature is the included lanyard-style USB-C charging cable. The lanyard doubles as a usable charging cable, which means you don't need to carry an extra one with you. When you want to charge your devices, simply unclick it, plug it into your phone, and you're good to go. It also makes the power bank easier to carry or grab quickly when you're on the move. To check the remaining power, the Gen 4 uses both a touch button and a knock to wake feature. When you knock near the ports, a quick tap activates the indicators and shows the remaining power level without needing to press a button. Combined with the illuminated ports, it's a simple way to check status even in darker environments. So who is the NB10000 Gen 4 really for? It's a good fit for camping trips, travel, daily commuting, or anyone who wants reliable power without extra bulk. What the Gen 4 delivers is a more compact and more durable power bank with small quality of life upgrades that make everyday use easier. If you've liked previous NB10000 models, this feels like a refined next step. But enough about me. I'd love to hear your thoughts about the NB10K Gen 4 in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay in the know, and we will see you next time.